Making its world premiere here at the Geneva International Motor Show is Skoda's Vision X, which is essentially a CNG-Petrol-Electric hybrid SUV concept. This can all sound very complicated, very cumbersome, so let's park it on the side for a while. Let's talk about how the car looks. Well, in terms of size, it is a little over 4 meters, 4.2 to be precise, so it's right up the alley of the Cretas and the Dusters out there. But in terms of equipment, internationally it should go against the likes of the Hyundai Kona in the European market. Now, you don't have to be a rocket scientist to tell that this car belongs to the Skoda family. The signature grille, the styling clues tell you that it is a younger sibling of the Kodiaq and the Karoq out there. But then this runs these 20-inch alloys and that vibrant green color they call the Vanded green, so the car looks a lot more youthful. Skoda claims that the exterior of the car is pretty much close to production ready. The car in flesh should pretty much look the same. But when we talk about the interiors, to say it is futuristic is an understatement. It's got triangular seats and the cabin offers a mix of breathable fabrics, artificial leather and rubber surfaces. While the center console is a polished glass surface that doubles up as a display. 99% none of this is going to make it to the production car, at least not most. But right now, it just looks brilliant to look at. Apart from the fully electric instrument cluster, the car comes with a host of connected technologies, some more funkier than the others. While the simpler ones could find you a parking slot, the more complicated ones could help you share your car or even put it out for rent when you're not using it, but you're out for vacation. Now let's talk about the engine. It is a 1.5-litre 4-cylinder turbocharged internal combustion engine, which is designed to run on both CNG and petrol. It gives out 130 PS of power and 200 Nm of torque. While the CNG motor drives the front two wheels, the electric motor that gives out 70 Nm of torque drives the rear two wheels. So essentially you have a 4-wheel drive car without a prop shaft. But it's not that simple. It's not an all-time 4-wheel drive car. The rear wheels will only kick in when the system senses a slippage or you're driving over a slippery surface, or when you start from a standstill to give you a boost effect. So the car comes with 2 CNG tanks, one under the seat and second behind the rear axle. For other numbers, 0 to 100 comes in 9.3 seconds, top speed 200 km an hour, and with the additional reserve petrol tank, the Vision X can have a total range of 650 km. Now if you think all of this is a little boring, a little too many numbers, a little too much of gyan, hold on, wait a second, listen to this. The boot of the car comes with 2 electric skateboards, 2 helmets and a drone camera. For you're supposed to park your car at the nearest parking lot, hop onto the skateboard and reach your office, the supermarket or your girlfriend's house. Now that's the Skoda way. Simply clever. For more motoring content from the Geneva International Motor Show, all you need to do is hit that subscribe button. Until next time, this is Sharan signing off. Goodbye.